Hello, today we are going to learn about reach trucks. Introduction, application, high series trucks, R series models, and R series overviews, and R series specs, RE series models, and RE series overview, and finally RE series specs. So let's get into it. We're gonna start with introduction. What is reach trucks? Reach trucks are forklifts used in narrow aisle applications. They have two outer legs that help distribute the load and a single set of wheels in the back. They can lift up to 41 feet high with 1.4 to 2.5 tons with a choice of 180 degrees or 360 degrees. What is the difference between a standard forklift and reach truck? A reach truck is a smaller vehicle than the forklift. It has a slimmer chassis and holds loads closer to its wheelbase. Instead of a counterbalance, a reach truck has two stabilizing outer legs. 35 reduction in turning radius. Now let's go to applications. Applications indoor, narrow aisles with higher shelves and with lighter loads. Let's go to high-reach truck. High-reach trucks series. There is R series, RE series, and N series. We're only going to cover R series and RE series, and if I have time next time, we will cover N series. We will start with R series models. R series, there are different types of models. Model lineups R1.4, R1.6N, R1.6, R1.6 HD, and R2.0. R2.0 HD, R2.5, and R1 to 4 to 2.5 series. Let's go to R series overview. R series overview: storage of full platters at height in narrow aisles. Truck type class 2. Third, typical aisle width 2720 millimeters and 3000 millimeters. 3 wheels and the 10 tires. Basic technical data: electrics. Operating voltage 48 volt. All AC power technologies. Drive motor, steering motor, hydraulic pump motor, dual canvas wiring. Let's go to R series specs. These are the specs of R series, and this is the diagram of this. So this is a model. This is the capacity of a battery Ah. This is the capacity, like weight of this machine kg, and the radius capacity of kg and height. These all are the specs that you have to go through. I will wait for 10 seconds. If you didn't see completed, you can pause and see. Now let's continue. Now we'll go to RE models, series models. These are the RE series model lineups: R1.0E, R1.2E, R1.4E. Let's go to RE series overview. RE series overview. Storage of 4 platters at height in narrow aisles. Truck type class 2. Typical aisles weight 2720 millimeters and 2 to 8000 millimeters. 3 wheels, wall column tires, tilt mast. This is little different from the R series because it had different types of tires and this tilt mast wasn't there. Basic technical data electrics. Now this is all the same. Operating voltage 48 volt, all AC power technologies, drive motor, steering motor, hydraulic pump motor, and dual CAN bus wiring. Let's go to the final slides. RE series specs. So this is the diagram again for RE series. You can see. And this is for model, this is for capacity of the load, this is the height, how high can it how much it can lift very high. This is the width and this is the long and this is the width. This battery capacity volt and weight for R1.0 R1.0E is 2845 kgs and for R1.2E it's 2845 and finally R1.4E is 2948 kg. That's a lot. Now that's all folks. Questions are welcome.